Hello guys, this is my honest review of this saw that I've been using for some time. It is pretty good because after years it's still working and it's very easy to use. You just need to push the trigger here, okay? And there is a safe mechanism so it doesn't work unless you press here first. So I just press here with my thumb and then I can press the trigger. And it works faster or slower depending on the pressure that I put here, right? Let me show you again. So here we go. So very slow and faster, okay? So pretty easy to use. You can also change the position here. Just press here and turn the way. So you can use in this way, same principle here. You just need to press the safety button first and then the trigger, okay? Pretty easy to use. I just pull back here into the position, the original position. Here we go. It comes with the battery so you can charge. So here you just need to remove like this, charge it and put it in place. Just like this, okay? So very good. Here you can change the type of saw you're using. It comes with different saws, like this one for example, a small one. Just need to press here, put it in place, and then let it go, and you're ready to use again, okay? So I'm happy with this one. I like it and I recommend it.